Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Shisngi hadin baka kertong jong kaseng Indian National Congress na Barato Mukhro constituency ka kong Banikas Laban kalasya khang lenti ha kinong shnong Karbi ha Kermi West Karbi Anglong District kabalaja ha kasni thoding menshim tayo kaseng Karbi Students Association kabadon hadu saw kanhun kalapan mi ya karai manum ailat ya kanu ka jingyalap ne jingyalang na kabantagi election JHADC hapo upot usam jong ka West Karbi Anglong District Assam kumban chupen kanmao ha kasi thoding menshim tayo kinong shnong ka Karbi kilakhang lenti ya ka kong Banikas Laban bat ka kanhun jong ka hakapor bakipoy hakasnong Kermi bat ki Karbi kilakali balay kali yalap election nakasnong jongki kabahap hapo West Karbi Anglong District Assam kilaong ru ya ka kong Laban baka deban shim jingbit shwa na kibor penya jong ka West Karbi Anglong District shwa baka niya linti nakasnong jongki hakahnyo tarik mentau benai kaseng Karbi Students Association kalarai ru banum sya yakinu kinuki kali banlet sya kisnong penar hapo West Karbi Anglong District na Meghalaya ni kibami nakasnong penar hapo West Karbi Anglong District nak benta banlet yalap election kaseng Karbi Students Association kalabu jingkeli komnu baki nong shnong penar kisong kisa West Karbi Anglong District Henry kilalit habut pat Shaka West Khasi Hills District hakapor badan election sa Meghalaya katay karai jong kaseng Karbi Students Association kalami lese hadin bakila yoi ba ukertong jong ka NPP uba aibor lang syadap ulawan pelong jingya lang election hakahendro tarik mentau benai hakasnong mojam hapo block 1 ya katay ka jingya lang lawan ringdur dakilat pathay kubor na West Karbi Anglong District bat kitay kilat pathay kubor kilabo jingkeli ba kumno kibrio na Meghalaya kiyo banwan penlong jingya lang ni jingyalap election hapo West Karbi Anglong District bat kilabo ka jingkeli hatu ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kanle AA halor kani kumba on chupen kan mau hang ni hadin ka jing penbet thamai jongki constituency hapo ka JHADC da ka delimitation committee kasnong mulumber psiar khatkasla bat ki wede ki bashu hapo saphai constituency kila syapen kan riak no Barato Mukhro constituency kaseng KSA kalaong bakamla ban pediang dalile ru halor ka jinglong kertong jong ka kong Banikas namar bakade kanong shnong jong ka West Karbi Anglong District bat kumta kumnu banlet yakun ya ka election JHADC balapalong daga jila Meghalaya ka kong Banikas kade kanong shnong jong ka shnong Mulumber kabahap hapo ka block 1 hapo ka West Jantia Hills District katba ki KSA ki kam bakasnong Mulumber kahap hapo West Karbi Anglong District namar katkum ka jingkam jongki upot usam jong ka West Karbi Anglong District kakut hadu kawa mentang
Riang long lo se la tun campaign e wang khana gari Kermi long la ke ha ya Kermi long la
Oh kalau suka nak mana kita when you get Prime Minister, you get active discussion with the village. After that, you can campaign with him. Right.
You're coming for campaign now here?
Come here. We don't need to worry and all everything over here. This is the land of what? What is the land? You have to know first. Okay. You have to know the land. Can you enter here? The land is the same. Meghalaya and here Karbi Anglong. The land is the same. But you have to know first to discuss to entry here. Am I right? Where is the candidate?
Tuar e papa tamang la punang ne hai la ba.
Puyo candidate hoga.
Ha. si là candidate cái lo so bang si candidate lo kar bing lo lo se atun chak
Jamu upay yung puro sam. Ang kayo kilay campaign dia puasam.
Labang piang lo kandidat lo. Alang liga nong tak mula ber semua. Mula ber ke pulang dan ke pulang dan mula ber ke kan yang nong. Ada na cumang masih ada itu.
I'm studying in Dubai. And my sister also there.
Kilay ini campaign ugila
My
miklaya.
father is Homi well Milik.
Mo.
LCB here.
Temahan
All the
miklaya.
PC, all the Kazakhstan, you know. He is the last one.
Hiyong kilay.
I study in Shillong.
So we have to discuss first, no?
Yeah, we have to discuss first. Okay. Right, no?
Okay, okay. Then we will then back.
Yeah, we have to discuss for the,
Discuss
you know,
later on.
here is LCB. You have to discuss nicely and you can campaign.
Ini break. Sinam karmi mo. Kaburu.
okay
Ya ham ham setengah.
chalo bang ta ching wai po pulo ke ching wai det le bang campaign po konsil long pen konsan sepin kana pen konsan sepin sila tu bang ya na ele tu masa ando kolo silo da kapak campaign han pang ton kolo ya khirmi long ta ke biang long lo se bang campaign pura jo pring bo ke
Ini saya careful ni, saya nak bang.
ta
Baik,